a Canadian and you want to invest as a beginner, then you are on a right platform. Wealthsimple Trade is a Canadian online investment platform that provides an easy and accessible way for users to buy and sell stocks and ETF. The platform was launched in 2018 by Wealthsimple Inc., a financial technology company that aims to make investing more accessible to Canadians. One of the most significant advantages of Wealthsimple Trade is its simplicity. This app is so simple to use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy for even no-voice investors to get started. The app is available on both iOS and Android, allowing users to manage their investment from their mobile devices. Another key feature of Wealthsimple Trade is its low fee. Unlike a traditional brokerage firm that charges high commissions on each trade, Wealthsimple Trade charges no commission on Canadian and US stock trades. This means that investors can save a significant amount of money on trading fee and especially if they make frequent trade. In addition to its low fee, Wealthsimple Trade also offers a range of investment options. Users can invest in individual stocks or ETFs with access to over 8,000 Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. The platform also offers a range of investment themes such as socially responsible investing and dividend investing, allowing users to invest in companies that align with their values. Wealthsimple Trade also offers a range of educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. The platform provides articles and videos on various investment topics such as how to build a diversified portfolio and how to invest in ETFs. The app also includes a newsfeed that provides users with the latest market news and insights. Overall, Wealthsimple Trade is an excellent investment platform for Canadians who are looking for a simple and low cost way to invest in the stock market. With its user friendly interface, low fees, and range of investment options, Wealthsimple Trade is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced investors. I hope this video is informative to you. If you are new to this channel, then must subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.